Oh, things escalated very quickly on number 28. Not only do we have a lot of stuff going on here, but we also have an inequality, absolute value inequality, rather than an absolute value equation, which changes things just a little. So first things first. There is my absolute value part of the equation. It is not by itself. So just like I'm going to have to get rid of this minus 8 and multiply by 7. So just like you would if you were solving an equation, I'm going to add the 8 first. This gives me 7 times absolute value of 3y minus 4 less than or equal to 48 plus 8 is 56. And which is convenient because now I have to divide by 7 to get rid of that. Divide by 7. And now I have absolute value of 3y minus 4 less than or equal to 8, which is perfect. All right. So now I have my absolute value by itself, but it's not an equation. But we kind of do this sort of the same way. We're going to have 8 and negative 8, but it's not going to be equals. We have to pay very close attention to this little inequality. So one of them, this requires a little bit of advanced discussion. So you and I are gonna have to talk about this maybe tomorrow. But because this is a less than symbol, I know that this transfers to what we call an and compound inequality. So I'm going to have 3y minus 4 less than or equal to 8, 3y minus 4, and then you reverse the symbol, greater than or equal to negative 8. And because it's an and compound inequality, I can write this as an and compound inequality is written together. So sometimes we write this like this, and I'm going to see if I can't. Well, I'll just undo. How about that? Okay, we write this like this with the 3y minus 4 in the middle, and then these are less than symbols, and then we have negative 8 to positive 8. Because ands are togetherness, this with an and, the stuff is all in the middle. And then we have to solve that compound inequality by adding 4 to both sides. I don't know if you know how to do that, but that's a separate issue. I can do this. I think I'll just do it on the next slide. So let's see. What did I have? Negative 8 less than or equal to 3. What was it? 3y. 3y minus 4 less than or equal to positive 8. Okay, so first order business, I want to get y by itself in the middle. So I'm going to add 4, but I have to add 4 to all 3 parts. Add 4. Negative 4 less than or equal to, and now I just got 3y in the middle, less than or equal to 12, and then we divide all parts by 3. And then I have negative 4/3 less than equal to y less than equal to 12 divided by 3 is just 4. And this technically is your answer. I mean, sometimes they ask for different, like interval notation or with inequalities. It depends on what they're asked for. I didn't really look at the problem, but that should be good enough.